Hi friends, it's Caroline here from How to Vietnamese. I'm here to introduce you to my brand new series called Listening Practice in Slow Vietnamese. In this series, I'll tell you 6 short stories around daily life topics using natural spoken Southern Vietnamese but at a slower speed. So this video series would be very useful for beginner learners to first practice recognizing Vietnamese sounds so you can slowly improve your pronunciation and listening skills. At the same time, you will be able to expand your Vietnamese vocabulary and see how native speakers construct their sentences so you can make your everyday speech more natural. So here's how you can make full use of this series. Step 1. Listen without subtitles. Now, the first half of the video would be just me reading the story without any subtitles so you can try to listen and see how much you can understand. Step 2. Listen with subtitles. In the second half of the video, you will listen to the story again, but this time with both Vietnamese and English subtitles. Step 3. Listen and repeat out loud. This is where you can practice your pronunciation and improve your speaking by listen, pause, and then repeat out loud, sentence by sentence. Now, if you want to challenge yourself and practice at a normal speaking speed of a native speaker, you can find the audio to do that at store.howtovietnamese.com. There, you can also find a PDF that contains the transcript with English translation, together with the listening and fill in the blank exercise, key vocabulary with example sentences, and language notes. All these to make sure that you can get the most values out of this learning material so you can understand the locals better and one day speak like a native yourself. I hope you will enjoy this series. Now let's jump to our first story.